Changing your primary email on Revolut Pro is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to update your email address successfully. Step 1. Open the Revolut app. Launch the Revolut app on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account with your current credentials. Step 2. Access settings. Navigate to the profile icon or the settings menu, usually found in the top left or bottom right corner of the app. Tap on it to open the settings options. Step 3. Select account information. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROT to constantly monitor your email accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update email address. Find the section for your email address. Tap on the current email to edit it. Enter your new primary email address and confirm it if prompted. Step 5. Verify the new email. After updating, check your new email inbox for a verification email from Revolut. Click on the verification link to confirm the change and finalize the process. Once you have completed these steps, your primary email on Revolut Pro will be updated. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Revolut's customer support for assistance.